I tried this jollof rice recipe recently and it banged. It was so tasty that I knew that I had to share it with you guys. Hey loves, I'm back with another cooking video, and today we're making the most flavorful and tasty jollof rice you will ever taste. Trust me, this recipe is going to leave you craving for more. So let's get started. I'll be using chicken as my protein of choice. You can use turkey, goat meat or beef depending on your preference. To cook the chicken, I'll be adding some onions, thyme, mixed spices, some curry powder, ginger and garlic paste, some bouillon cubes and salt. If you're seeing my video for the first time and you love all things food, wellness, self-growth, please do well to click the subscribe button, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. After adding all the seasoning, I'll stir and leave to boil. Now I won't be adding any water at this point because I want the chicken to absorb all the seasoning and bring out its own liquid. After it has cooked for about 10 minutes, add some water and leave to cook until tender. I'll be frying the chicken because I'll be using the oil for the jollof rice. It adds its own flavor to the food. But if you want to reduce your oil consumption, you can either opt for grilling, baking or air frying your chicken. Moving on to the stew base, I'll be using some fresh tomatoes, red bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers and onions. The peppers give your jollof that sweet spicy flavor. If you're cooking a larger portion of jollof rice, you want to make the portion of your red bell peppers bigger than your fresh tomatoes. Now you see this herb, lemon basil, also known as Nigerian curry leaf. It adds a very unique flavor to your pepper mix. It will make your jollof rice bang. I will be boiling this leaf with the pepper mix together with some bay leaves and some thyme. They give your pepper mix a very unique flavor and nice aroma. I'll cover the pot and leave to boil until the water from the tomatoes is dried. I'll be taking out the bay leaves and lemon basil leaf before blending the pepper mix. Using the lemon basil leaf to cook for a long time in the jollof rice will give it a bitter taste, so I will just take it out. And this is what you have after blending, a very smooth paste. Now it's time to cook the rice. In a hot pot, I'll be adding the oil I used to fry the chicken, going in with some onions, some bay leaves, thyme and curry powder and leave to fry. After frying for some minutes, I'll add some tomato paste, stir and leave to fry as well. Next, I'll go in with my pepper mix and the rest of the seasonings I'll be adding. At this point, I'll be adding my chicken stock to the stew base. I'm adding salt last after tasting the stew to know the quantity of salt I'll be needing. I washed my rice with hot water, soaked in for 5 minutes and then rinsed off with cold water. After stirring, add some water, not too much, then cover the pot with a foil paper and leave to cook on medium heat. Adding some slices of onions and tomatoes when your rice is almost cooked just elevates the flavor of your jollof rice. So guys, let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this recipe, and if you watched to this point and you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.